Trinamool Congress jumping in to support the Congress party. Remember Rahul Gandhi on one side claiming that there is a gag, that he's not being allowed to speak as well. On the other side, Rahul Gandhi greeting his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in the parliament. And that video not going down well with the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. And that has led to a showdown, a controversy. So now the TMC has slammed the Lok Sabha Speaker and as much as coming in support to the Congress party. Here's what has happened. TMC MP is saying, Rahul Gandhi greeted his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Why is Om Birla upset? Basically, the Bharatiya Janata Party also put out a video where Rahul Gandhi was seen cupping Priyanka cheeks. He's greeting her, and Mahua Moitra come forth has said here, I quote her here first, Speaker allows BJP to malign Sonia Gandhi and the family and has nothing else to say. So this is what has happened in this case, that the TMC slamming the Speaker. Remember, the TMC, part of the India bloc, have come to the support of the Congress party, especially to Rahul Gandhi, but saying this is a deliberate attempt by the Speaker to be able to malign Sonia Gandhi and the family. I want to bring in my colleague Piyush Mishra for the latest on that. Piyush, good morning. What exactly happened? What got Om Birla, the Lok Sabha Speaker, upset over this video? And then tell me, how is the TMC jumping in support to the Congress?
Good morning, Pooja, to you and to all our viewers. And there's a massive war of words which is now taking place after Om Birla yesterday reprimanded Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi. Remember that yesterday during the 0 hour, Rahul Gandhi was all set to speak, and the moment he stood up to speak, Om Birla read out Rule 349 of Lok Sabha, where he mentioned that one should maintain the dignity of the House and also behave in the high standards of Lok Sabha rules. Especially Leader of Opposition should behave in a proper manner. That's what Lok Sabha Speaker said, and after which we saw how the House got adjourned. Soon after that, Rahul Gandhi came out and he said that I am not being allowed to speak. Whenever I want to raise any issue, I am denied the opportunity. And after what Om Birla said and what Rahul Gandhi said, Amit Malviya had tweeted a video where he had posted two videos. One, what Om Birla said, and two, in which Rahul Gandhi is seen playfully squeezing the cheeks of Priyanka Gandhi to draw her attention. So BJP has backed the claims that have been made by Om Birla, and BJP is saying that Rahul Gandhi's behavior is inappropriate. After all these things, we are now seeing today, Pooja, that Trinamool Congress has come out completely in support of the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, where Mahua Moitra, TMC MP, is now saying that Om Birla gets upset for Rahul Gandhi greeting his sister, but he maintains silence and smiles when the leaders like Sonia Gandhi and Danish Ali are attacked. So there is a support which we can see how TMC is giving to Congress party, but yes, BJP is coming out videos and claiming that the behavior.
And could other India bloc partners also join in here? Could the Samajwadi Party, other leaders also come in? We'll be tracking that and more. Clearly, TMC has taken the lead. Piyush, keep tracking that. Thank you very much for now, because remember, Parliament has become a big showdown. It's now Speaker versus Leader of Opposition, and just one of the issues is how Rahul Gandhi greeted his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in the Parliament, and according to the Lok Sabha Speaker, decency needs to be maintained. But here's what has happened in the case. The BJP has launched a scathing attack at Rahul Gandhi because Rahul Gandhi earlier claimed he's not being allowed to speak in the Parliament. He's not being allowed to put his views. Now, to that, the BJP has said, but Rahul Gandhi is not even present in the Parliament. He does not speak on important, significant bills. Nobody can stop a member of Parliament from speaking, is what the Bharatiya Janata Party has said. But amid all of this, remember, the BJP then releases a video that the Leader of Opposition is greeting his sister, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who's also a fellow Congress MP, within the Sansad, claiming this is violating parliamentary decorum. After Rahul Gandhi alleged that he requested the Speaker to let him speak, but Om Birla made unsubstantiated remarks against him and ran away. Rahul Gandhi is basically accusing government of the centre that they are not giving place to opposition leaders, and especially to leaders from the Congress party, to function and speak in the House.
लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन को एक कन्वेंशन है कि बोलने दिया जाता है. जब भी मैं खड़ा होता हूँ मुझे बोलने नहीं दिया जाता. ठीक है, तो पता नहीं मतलब ये किस प्रकार से हाउस चल रहा है. जो हम कहना चाहते हैं हमें कहने नहीं देते।
लोकसभा या तो एडजर्न कर दी जाती है और या उनको बोलने का अवसर नहीं दिया जाता है और उसके बाद कुछ अनावश्यक टिप्पणियां करके चीजों को उलझाया जाता है। लीडर अपोजिशन है, लीडर अपोजिशन को आप यदि अपनी बात नहीं कहने देंगे तो फिर लोकतंत्र की हिफाजत कैसे होगी?
संसद के आसन का बदनाम करना ये उनकी आदत सी बन गई।
राहुल गांधी को अगर संसदीय ज्ञान है और देश को गुमराह कर रहे हैं कि इस सदन में कोई किसी को बोलने से रोक नहीं सकता। राहुल गांधी स्वयं सदन में बैठते ही नहीं। किसी बिल पे उनकी पार्टी के मेंबर बोलते हैं, वो चाहे तो वो बोलें, लेकिन वो किसी बिल पे नहीं बोलते, किसी विधेयक पे नहीं बोलते, किसी प्रस्ताव पे नहीं बोलते। तो अब खुद आते नहीं, खुद कोई रुचि उनको संसदीय प्रणाली में नहीं है। और इसके बाद ये कहा जा रहा है ये कोई सरकार नहीं है, पार्लियामेंट स्पीकर साहब चलाते हैं, स्पीकर ये कस्टोडियन ऑफ द हाउस। आखिर रोज विपक्ष बोलता है, अगर कांग्रेस के सदस्य बोल सकते तो वो क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे?
हमेशा कोई सदस्य खड़ा होकर किसी भी समय नहीं बोल सकता, किसी भी समय वो पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकता। हर चीज को बोलने के लिए अगर कोई नेता प्रतिपक्ष बोलना चाहते हो तो उनके पास तमाम विषय हैं। जो कोई बिल आता है उसमें बोलने को मिलता है, उसमें अपनी बात रख सकते हैं, 0 आवर बोल सकते हैं, स्पेशल मेंशन में बोल सकते हैं। एक अपार अवसर होता है। ये आरोप मैं समझता हूँ मिथ्यापूर्ण है और जानकारी का अभाव है।